we're at the mod shop. Just going to be showing a demonstration on our wheel bearing puller and installation tool. So yeah, we got a bunch of cups here. This wheel bearing here is shot. We just took the top shock bolt, or the bottom shock bolt out, and the bottom ball joint off, just to kind of speed up the video, right? So here we go. We're going to use the number 1 cup, as you can see in here, it's stamped number 1, and the number 2 washer with the collar on it. So we're just going to pull out the snap ring here for the wheel bearing to come out. And then we grease the bolts and the washers to help slide and not wear out so quick. Okay, tighten that up. Okay, now we're just gonna clean out the inside here. Just take some sandpaper and get a little bit of the junk out of there, right? Now you just grab your new wheel bearing. And then we just put some WD-40, lube up the bearing and a little bit in the hub there, just to make it slide in easier. And then we take number 3 and number 4 to install. Use the same bolts with the washers. Number 3 goes on the inside, and number 4 will be used to push the bearing in with the collared lip on it. So there's number 4. Helps know the bearing, right? And the bolts, when you shove her in, put number 3 on the back side, and you put your nut with your washer. And you snug it up. you have to go in just a little more there. There you go. Now you just put the new snap ring back in and reassemble. So bottom axle goes back in, bottom ball joint, shock bolt, and you're done.